Service is free, but we may be compensated for sharing your info and marketing non-loan products. Personal loans registered made simple. Request from $1,000 to $35,000. How would you like to use your loan? Loan reason. Select. Get started. By clicking Get Started, you consent and agree. For personalloans.com to look up whether I have an existing account with its affiliated websites and utilize my existing account information for this request. Receive marketing communications for both loans and other credit-related products like debt relief, credit repair, banking, and credit monitoring. For the privacy policy, terms of use, ad disclosure, credit authorization, rates and fees, responsible lending, and e-consent. Your path to help get the funding you need. Our service is free to use. No hidden fees. No upfront cost. Zero obligation. Review your loan offer before accepting any funds, hassle-free. Review rates and fees and terms of use for more information. Get funding fast, directly to your account. Our online form is easy to complete and can get you connected with funding options in minutes. If approved, you can receive your funds as soon as the next business day. Request a loan for any occasion. Personal loans can be used for whatever comes your way. Whether it's an emergency, home improvement, business startup, unexpected bill, or family vacation, a personal loan can provide the funding you need. Competitive rates available. We have a wide variety of lenders in our network and in the other third-party lender networks we use. Some of these lenders may offer competitive rates. Learn more about our responsibility pledge and how it works. Learn about other credit-related products. When you use our service, we will also show you offers for other credit-related products or services you may find useful. This additional advertising helps us make a financial profit from our free service. Learn more in our ad disclosure. Access our extended lender network. If we can't find a lender in our direct lender network that may be willing to offer you a loan, we then send your request out to our extended network of third-party non-lender lender networks to try to find a lender in their network that may offer you a loan. This increases the likelihood you will be connected with a lender and helps us make a financial profit off of our free service. Learn more in our ad disclosure. Get started. APR Representative Range Explanation. Personalloans.com does not charge any fee or cost to submit a loan request, and there is no obligation to agree to the terms of any loan offer presented to you. Loan amounts between $1,000 and $35,000 are offered, with a minimum APR of 5.99% and a maximum rate of 35.99%. Loans from our network of lenders carry a minimum repayment term of 3 months and a maximum term of up to 72 months. The actual loan rate depends on the loan amount requested, as well as your credit score, usage, and history. If you are offered a loan, you will have the opportunity to review the final offer made by the lender before accepting their loan agreement. We recommend that you closely view the terms of any loan offer you get. If you should require help with any personalloans.com related services, you can contact us at your convenience. Why personalloans.com? Every day, we help people search for a personal loan from our network of lenders and in other third-party lender networks we use. If no lender offers you a loan, you may be presented with an offer for debt relief, credit repair, credit monitoring, or other similar services. Security matters. We protect your information with advanced data encryption technology so you can request a loan with peace of mind and from the ease of your home. Your time, your terms. Request a loan anytime, day or night. Our partners can offer loans up to $35,000 with varying rates and terms. Review your loan offer with no obligation and decide what works for you. Simple and straightforward. Our online form is simple, straightforward, and fast, the way it should be. With a few easy steps, we'll show your information to our large network of lenders and other third-party networks of lenders we work with that can make loan offers right away. If you receive a loan offer and you accept, the funds can be deposited electronically into your checking account in as fast as 1 business day. Customer notice: a personal loan is an online installment loan with loan sizes between $1,000 $1,000 and $35,000. Personal loan can be a great option for those customers looking to borrow money for a wedding, home improvement, or family vacation. The online process is designed with customer convenience in mind. Legal disclaimer: PersonalLoans.com's terms of use and the PersonalLoans.com privacy policy apply to the use of this website and its services. PersonalLoans.com connects borrowers with lenders or lending partners, and thus the specific terms and conditions of the specific lender or lending partner will apply to any loan a borrower takes out. We are compensated by these lenders or lending partners for connecting you with them, and the compensation received may affect which offer you are presented with. Any display of APR, loan amounts, interest or other loan details are estimations only, and actual amounts will vary by lender or lending partner and by borrower. Please note that some lenders or lending partners may perform credit checks as part of their credit transaction approval process. The lender or lending partner you connect with may not offer the best possible terms, and borrowers should always compare all available options before making any decisions. In addition, you may be connected with a tribal lender. Tribal lenders' rates and fees may be higher than state-licensed lenders, and are subject to federal and tribal laws, not state laws. The owners and operators of this website are not lenders, they do not broker loans, and they do not make loans or credit decisions. Nothing on this website is an offer or a solicitation to lend. Any information you submit to this site will be provided to a lender or lending partner. The operator of this website is not an agent, representative, or broker of any lender or lending partner and does not endorse or charge you for any service or product. Availability: every state has its own set of rules and regulations that govern personal loan lenders. Your loan amount, APR, and repayment term will vary based on your credit worthiness, state and lender or lending partner. Material disclosure: the operator of this website is not a lender, loan broker, or agent for any lender or loan broker. This website is not an offer of credit, nor is it a solicitation to lend. We are not affiliated with any lender. We are an advertising referral service for lenders that may be able to offer loans in amounts between $1,000 and $35,000. There is no fee to use our services. Your loan request submitted on this website will be shared with one or more lenders. There is no guarantee that you will be connected with a lender. Your loan request will be approved by a lender, or you will be offered the loan amount requested. Lenders may perform a credit check to determine your creditworthiness or verify your information. Any compensation we receive is paid by lenders and other advertising partners, and only for advertising services provided. If you are offered a loan, it may not necessarily have the best rates or terms. Short-term, small-dollar loans should not be used as a long-term solution to financial hardship. APR disclosure: the annual percentage rate, APR, is the rate at which your loan accrues interest and is based upon the amount, cost, and term of your loan, repayment amounts, and timing of payments. APR range for lenders in our network can generally range from 5.99% to 35.89%, with loan terms from 61 days to 96 months. Your actual rate will depend upon your credit score, loan amount, loan term, and credit usage and history. Some states have laws limiting the APR that a lender can charge you. Lenders are legally required to show you the APR and other terms of your loan before you execute a loan agreement. Credit implications: the operator of this website does not make any credit decisions. Lenders in our network may obtain credit scores or credit reports through the credit reporting agencies or alternative providers to determine your creditworthiness. By submitting your information to us, you agree to allow us and participating lenders to verify your information and check your credit. Payments of loans may result in additional fees or collection activities, or both. Each lender has their own terms and conditions. Please review their policies for further information. Non-payment of credit could result in collection activities. Each lender has their own terms and conditions. Please review their policies for further information. Every lender has its own renewal policy, which may differ from lender to lender. Please review your lender's renewal policy.